Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I just got back from the flea market and I got a few tools here to show you. First of all, I got this little cross peen hammer. Some probably call it a machinist hammer, some are calling it a locksmiths hammer. It's got a 200 GOTT and then the DIN 1041 on there, which makes me think it's a kit hammer for a German car. But anyway, it's a cool little cross peen hammer. I got these dividers. These are Malco. And a couple of rusty rock pick or mason's hammers. No maker's marks that I can see yet. I gotta de-rust these. Got a sledgehammer there. And this is a little plum here. And then we got a metalworking hammer of some sort. Hard to see the maker's marks. This one's number 75 and 2.5, I guess 2.5 pounds. Then we have the nail puller. Morrill. Then I got some reels. $1 a piece for these reels. I'm not really sure what kind of reel this is. If anybody knows, let me know. And there's all these ocean reels here. A couple of them are pins. This one's missing the handle. This one's like a made in USA, no maker's marks. $1 a piece, can't really beat that. This was $3. This was $3. $2. $2. $2. I paid $5 for both of these and $2 for this. Alright, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.